Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your GOTRAX scooter powers on normally but refuses to move when you press the throttle, don't worry because this is a fairly common problem. A GOTRAX scooter that turns on but won't move may be affected by riding mode settings, low battery power, safety features, or temporary electronic glitches. Fortunately, this issue doesn't always indicate a serious motor problem. In many situations, a few simple checks can help restore normal movement and get your scooter back on the road. Before considering repairs or replacement parts, there are several troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help fix a GoTrack scooter that turns on but won't move. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the GoTrack scooter battery has enough charge for riding. Step 2. Restart the GoTrack scooter to clear temporary system issues. Step 3. Check the riding mode selected on the GoTrack scooter. Step 4. Inspect the throttle and wiring connections associated with the GoTrack scooter. Step 5. Make sure the GoTrack scooter is not displaying any warning indicators. Step 6. Confirm that the GoTrack scooter responds properly and moves normally again.